Hello kids, teacher Victor right here for you. Hope you are doing well at home. I just want to tell you that I found this beautiful app that translate my videos. So now I can speak in English and you have the possibility of read the subtitles or the translation in Spanish. That's great. Okay, now to our business. Next week, you are going to have your oral presentations related to the animals and actions. Just for you to remember, you must have this on your notebooks. Hello, I am blah blah blah, the blah blah blah. I can blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, the first gap you have to fill it with your name. In my case, I'm going to select the penguin, okay? So I must say, hello, I am Victor, because my name is Victor, of course, the penguin, my favorite animal. Now, you have to think 3 actions a penguin can do. I can swim, jump, and eat. Okay, so as simple as that. Now the challenge for you is to perform the actions, to let me know that you know the actions, of course. So let's suppose um, this is a penguin mask. Okay, you have to bring this to the school and say, hello, I'm Victor the penguin. I can swim, performing the action, jump, and eat. Okay? So this is my video to you. Hope this can be helpful in some way. No more to say, no more words to say. See you on Monday or Wednesday. Bye bye.